Today's lesson will focus on introduction to food and nutrition. The search for food has been mankind's occupation from the onset, highlighting its crucial importance in our daily lives. Food nourishes the body, providing energy, promoting growth, repairing tissues, and regulating bodily functions. Nutrients within food enable these vital functions. The study of these nutrients and their effects on the human body is nutrition, the science of food in relation to health. Importance of human nutrition. Food is vital for humans. There is a strong correlation between good food and intellectual development. It aids in the maintenance of good health. Understanding principles of food processing, preservation, and preparation is essential. Well-fed individuals have higher disease resistance compared to those who are poorly nourished. Identifying foods that meet dietary requirements for different age groups and psychological conditions is crucial. The proportion of food consumed can have positive or negative effects on the body. Basic knowledge and principles of nutrition are important. Factors affecting human nutrition. Availability of food. Income. Seasonal availability of food. Ignorance. Storage and preservation methods. Available facilities. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.